coming in. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has rejected the charge that the government has scapegoated the police officials. He claims that the BJP is politicizing the issue.
ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ರಾಜಕೀಯಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಮೇಲ್ನೋಟಕ್ಕೆ.
So the intel is with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Why is it that no action is being taken when police officials are being shunted, when action is being taken against the RCB as well as the event management officials? That's the question being raised by the BJP. My colleague Imran is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Imran, the Chief Minister has accused the BJP of politicizing the issue. What's the BJP's counter?
There is no doubt at all.
Yeah, just...
Imran?
Saying that the cops are being made scapegoat here. In fact, they say that this is the chief minister and the deputy chief minister, in order to save themselves, they have made the cops as a scapegoat. In fact, we like to take that answer with the leader of opposition there, but he is we just get him in 2 seconds. And the BJP say that these are all the cops who are suspended all are been made scapegoat. In fact, the A1 should be chief minister, A2 should be the deputy chief minister, and home minister should be the A3.
All right. So, Imran, the BJP has said that the chief minister, the home minister, the deputy chief minister are responsible. In fact, if we look at what has happened until now, action has been initiated against police officials and arrests have been made of the RCB officials as well as the event management officials. Why is it that the government goes scot-free?
Yes, joining with us, Mr. Prashant is a spokesperson of the BJP. Mr. Prashant, these officials have been arrested. They say the dereliction of duty, but you are alleging something else. What is your allegation? Why are you holding chief minister responsible?
Imran, this is not a mere allegation. We cannot call it allegation. This is a statement of fact, because the DCM was on record stating that police have done a commendable duty in controlling whatever they could, but the crowd was unmanageable. These were the words of the DCM before the CM proceeds to now suspend the police officials, citing embarrassment of the government and dereliction of duty. You tell me, what could the police have done differently? Who gave the permission to CM or DCM to host on the outside the Vidhan Saudha? And was the permission taken for the event in the stadium? These questions are to be answered by whom? Why? How can a police commissioner answer it when the DCM or CM instructs him directly to say, ensure that the program has to go on? And who was in the event? Grandson of Siddaramaiah, Ramlinga Reddy's daughter, Zamir Ahmed's son, and children and grandchildren of Congress leaders were busy clicking selfies outside Vidhan Saudha. What can the police do? And if there is a failure, it's a failure of the intelligence. The state intelligence is headed by whom? The CM himself. Who must resign? The CM and DCM must resign. Which is why both BJP and JDS in the press conference today, the action point is very clear. The investigation must be carried out by a sitting High Court judge or a Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court, because they have the power to summon the CM or DCM for questioning, whereas a district magistrate will not have the power to summon the CM.
They've ordered a one-man commission by the Justice Kunha. Do you have faith in that?
See, anybody who has seen Karnataka's history and legal history would know how the inquiry will go on. You have one CID inquiry being formed, CID group or SIT group, and then you have one-man commission. And Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar are happy suspending the police officers. This will not work. If they have done nothing wrong, let a sitting High Court judge probe it. Why do they want a man of their choice? Let the CM write to the Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court stating, please appoint a sitting High Court judge to investigate, and the Chief Justice should do it. Why are they afraid of doing it? Because they know the first persons who will get caught are the CM and the DCM.
That's
If the
right.
heads have to roll, it is of the DCM and CM and not of the police officials. We stand with the police.
It's a very clear message from the BJP saying that they're standing with the police and they feel that the persons responsible is CM and deputy CM,
Okay.
and they should be made accused A1 and A2, not the cops.
Okay.